Hey guys, it's me Brandon over here at E.C.D again. We're going to touch base on some of the custom aspects here in the design studio. In one of my sections, I think that makes or breaks the vehicle is the wheels. So what we have here is our standard wheel here at E.C.D. Not much to it, really simple, classy look to it. What we have here is a wheel we've customly done in-house. This is a 5-spoke Defender wheel. Then next we have our sawtooth wheel. So this gives it more of a little sporty, little luxurious look to it. And then we move up into the bigger territory with the 1983 Kahn wheels. Really nice looking wheel, gives it a nice look to the vehicle. We also offer the 1948s and my favorite, probably the Mondale's, a 20-inch. We also do have a custom wheel that we do offer at E.C.D, which is a 20-inch custom ones. Takes the build to the next level with them. Not too many people have them, so it's always something nice to have. So we also offer here at E.C.D the 18-inch StarTech Monostar wheels featured on Project Urban Warfare. Check them out, they're really nice wheels. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in and watching this video. If you want to customize and see what your Defender could look like, tune into E.C.D Automotive Design.com and just play around with the configurator and see exactly what you like. Pick out some nice wheels and build your truck.